வாடிங்க இங்க வா பொம்மோ இங்க வா உன்னதான் எல்லாரும் பார்க்கணுங்கிறா பொம்மோ டேய் நீ போடா அண்ணன்ட வா பொம்மோ என்கிட்ட வா ஒடியா வாடி உன்னை தாண்டி பார்க்கணுங்கிறா எல்லாரும். Okay, so many of you have been asking for the video of Bhumi. So here she is, and you are Bhumi from Madi Lokachko. So there is a reason why you don't see many videos of Bhumi. She spends most of her time just relaxing and sleeping, and she is going to be 13 years old. Okay, so in human terms it is like almost 80 plus, right? And I don't put her through a lot of stress. I train her maybe for 5 minutes a day or 10 minutes a day. She lives a very relaxed and calm life, and this is why you don't get to see a lot of Bhumi. She is doing reasonably well now. She used to have chronic eye infection. Bhummo anga parri Bhummo. Good girl. But now luckily I found a medicine that works for her, and she is doing well, she is doing better. But still I don't put too much stress on her. We don't walk her more than what she wants to walk. She is in retirement. Okay, and the reason why I run this channel is to provide technical education about dog training. I want people to learn the techniques involved in training a dog. This is not an entertainment channel. So even though I understand and appreciate why you want to look at Bhumi, you want to have more videos of Bhumi. Of course she is cute, beautiful, adorable. I love her, and I'm sure most of you love her as well. Still, I don't want. There are two things. I feel that I have exhausted most of the training topics, right? If you can think of something about dog training, I think I have already documented how to do it. The second thing is, I don't want to stress Bhumi. Bhumi is not here to entertain you. Don't mistake me, I'm just being honest. Bhumi is here to live a good life, and I think beyond this, beyond just getting some love and affection and rest, I don't want to put her through any rigor, right? So this is why you don't get to see a lot of Bhumi. Here she is, 13 years old almost. By the grace of God, she is still doing well. Of course she is slow. Her eyesight is not as good as it used to be, but it's all normal. She is in reasonably good health for her age. Okay? Bhummu, Bhummu, anga paari Bhummu. Paatiya? Ellarkum? So another thing I'm trying to do is I'm trying to work more with students. That gives me more joy, because I'm not trying, as you notice, I'm not trying to put videos every day or every week to get more views, more subscribers. I don't really concentrate on subscribers or views or anything like that, because I'm not monetarily dependent on this channel. So I try to work with some students, with good students, so that I can also get some money for my time. But more importantly, I can do what I like the most, which is experiencing the technique and the art of and the science of training dogs. This is where my interest lies. So I'm not here to entertain you, so that's why I don't put videos that are repetitive, meaningless, so on and so forth. unless I feel that there is some vital information that I can transfer on to my viewers, I don't make a video. Okay? Bomu, upata di. Kuti muka tadi. Awak kuti muka. Karena dia, muka bomu di bomu. Karate belakang panah. Kuti muka. Odi mana dia muka. Nawer naik kuti main kan. Kuti muka. Kuti. Itu jo. This is my book. I'm so happy that she is still well and healthy, reasonably healthy. Of course, she has her eye problems, but it's much better. Okay, so bye bye. Bomu bye bye. Yarinkriya? பொறுமையா இருக்கு. தங்கமே ஓடு. மேலெல்லாம் வெள்ளையா பண்ணிட்டடி பொம்மு.